Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and the notification so you could be notified when videos are uploaded every Thursday at 2 p.m. This is my journey here. This is Throwback Thursday. So this is when I was in the Hamptons at Victorville at this wonderful event, and he took us underwater and had us to experience this wonderful view in the Hamptons. You cannot disappoint. It's such a beautiful place. The water was amazing. The breeze was feeling so good. I was able to indulge myself and to experience a life of what is to come. So it was my beautiful Endora. She's one of my clients that invite me to this wonderful event in the Hamptons. This is 2017. Yes. And it was the best experience ever. This experience allowed me to also to dream bigger. I never thought about going to the Hamptons, so once the invitation was presented to me, I jumped on it. It was a beautiful Saturday, and I was honored for my client to include me in something so refreshing, something so mind opening, to see how much possibilities are out there for us. If you want it, you can have it, you can achieve it. Victor spoke about his experience of, dropping out of high school, being homeless, and started his company in his early 20s. And that's amazing because it showed me that anything is possible, and there's so many of us that are out here that do want to obtain such things. Depending on whatever area your business is, anything is possible. He started from nowhere. Used to be in the projects or across the street from the projects, once he shared his story, and it compelled me to continue to push forward with my business. And at times I may fall short, at times I may fall into procrastination or just low energy and fall into depression. I was diagnosed with mild depression, but I have also helped myself to overcome such dark times. At first, excuse me, that's my son in the background. I was, didn't know that I was battling with such, darkness. And when I wanted, I decided that I needed help because I wanted to understand how to get my life back on track. I felt stuck. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel and things wasn't working out the way that I really wanted it to work out for me. So with this said, I just wanted to share. I don't know who this may be able to help or inspire, that don't give up on yourself. You can stretch your mind as far and as wide as you want it to be. You could dream so big, but just know that you can obtain and manifest whatever you want in this lifetime. If you are wherever you are in your life, and if you're not getting what you want out of life, do an inventory on your life and see where the gap is so you could close up the gap and to put things in perspective. And we all have challenges. That's part of life. We all have setback, detours, roadblocks, and things of that nature. But it's not what you're being faced with, it's how you stand up and how what you do to overcome it. Sometimes you may not know your head from your toe or your fingers from your elbow. And it's okay. You're not the only one. You're not the first one, and you won't be the last one to experience these things. Life will give us lemons, and it's not what life gives us, it's what you do with what happens and what come your way. My name is Robin Lewis, and I am a wig designer and a life coach. And I wanted to just share this. I stumbled upon it while I was going through, content to create, and I felt that this would be a compelling video to share with others too, and I just wanted to do a voiceover and talk about this wonderful event. It was a charity event that, different artists was out there, and it was a great time in the Hamptons. Thank you. Click the notification button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Have a blessed day.